Morris getting staged up here in the twin-turbo 1996 model Ford Mustang. Car was living in the low 8s on sickweed. It hasn't tuned up to where it should have a 7-second potential, but it's stuck right here in its first shot. About the 300-foot mark, and then the rear end decided to wag around on him, and Morris very quickly jumps off the throttle and will roll to a 1341 at just 76 miles an hour. And ladies and gentlemen, that will officially wrap us up for the day. For all of you that came out here to join us for day 0 of Six Summer, presented by TBM Brakes, we thank you for being part of the opening day ceremonies.